In this video, we'll walk through how to set team goals based on time allocation, an essential strategy for improving productivity, aligning team efforts, and ensuring that every minute counts. By the end, you'll know exactly how to effectively allocate time, set realistic goals, and boost your team's efficiency. First, think about your team's overall objectives. Understanding what needs to be accomplished is key to determining how to allocate time. Set clear goals that reflect the team's priorities. Once you've established these, break them down into smaller, more manageable tasks, keeping in mind the time you have to work with. Time allocation starts with assessing how much time each team member can realistically dedicate. Don't assume every team member has the same bandwidth. Understand individual capacities and match tasks accordingly. If you have access to software for team management, use it to track time allocation effectively, so everyone's workload is balanced and transparent. Next, identify the most critical tasks, those that will drive the team toward meeting the larger goal. Prioritize these and be sure to allocate enough time for them. Then break down less critical tasks and spread them out. It's all about finding the balance between urgency and importance. Once you've allocated time for all tasks, be sure to communicate the expectations clearly with your team. Everyone needs to know what their individual goals are, how much time they have to achieve them, and how their efforts contribute to the broader objectives. This transparency helps with accountability and ensures that no one is working in isolation. To track progress, it's essential to use tools that will show you where time is being spent. If you're not already using software to manage your team's goals and time, now's the time to start. With the right tool, you can adjust time allocations in real time, ensuring that the team stays on track toward meeting the bigger goal. Now, you want to keep things flexible. Sometimes things don't go as planned, and it's important to reassess time allocations as necessary. If tasks are taking longer than expected, adjust accordingly, and make sure the team knows what changes have been made. This keeps the flow moving without overwhelming anyone. Here's your key takeaway. When setting team goals based on time allocation, start by clearly identifying your team's objectives, break those down into tasks, allocate time accordingly, communicate the expectations, and track the progress to stay on track. The goal is to be organized, transparent, and adaptable to ensure every member is set up for success. To sum it up, set clear goals, allocate time based on individual capacities, prioritize critical tasks, communicate effectively, and track progress to adjust time allocations when needed. Remember, if you want to follow along with the software we used in this video, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. This free trial is available only to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.